This is the rainforest on our block, and I'm about to attempt to get down to the creek again. It's a perilous journey because there's lots of spiky things and lots of mosquitoes. I've got my trusty clippers. I'm on my way. Oh look, abandoned pots, lost to less intrepid travellers. This is quite steep, so I'm going to try and get down it.
I'll chop it in front of you as you go. I can be your island boat. Who does the work for the white woman?
He thinks no one can hear that on the video.
No one's going to hear that till everything.
Oh, see this spiky thing? I'm going to lift it past. I'm going to step on this log, which is quite rotten. Oh. This is quite wobbly. Step down here. Oh, which way did I go? Trying to remember which way I went this morning. You can see there's perilous spikes that I need to avoid. Okay, I'm going to jump down here. That crashing you can hear is my partner cutting the bush after I've gone through it. Right. Oh. I'm now walking across the fallen log. You can hear the rush of the water. It's quite hard to hold the camera at the same time. This morning I did this without holding the camera, and I was told off because I was told I should have taken a camera. Right, here we go. You can see first glimpses of the water. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? But to get to it, I've got to go underneath this. I'm currently being attacked by a few million mosquitoes. Ow! Ow! Wait a while. Here I go. They're underneath the spikes. Oh, got some on my leg. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Jumping off the log now. You can see someone once had a pump down here. Alright, look at that. Is that not just the most gorgeous creek? And you can see, it looks like that's just bare sand, but in fact there is water running over that. It's that clear. Look, isn't it gorgeous? We are so lucky. Let me see if I can get you a better view. Oop. Trying not to fall in. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why we chose to buy this block. because of this gorgeous creek. It's just unbelievable how beautiful it is. And there was a track down here once upon a time, but 2 giant trees have fallen down and the track is no longer usable. You can see here I've just wiped away the blood from 2 massive spots from some of the spikes. It's just gorgeous. And we're going to cut a new track through here to make sure that we can come down and enjoy this creek on hot days. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you want to live in the tropical far north or far north Queensland of Australia. Look at that! How lucky are we?